What if your glasses didn't just record moments, but actually remembered them for you? That's the direction things seem to be heading with the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 3 smart glasses. And right now, the leaks are starting to paint a pretty interesting picture. We are not talking about a small refresh here. This could be a major shift in how wearable AI works in daily life. In this video, we are breaking down what is coming, what those internal code names mean, and why this next generation might be the one that finally pushes smart glasses into the mainstream. Because trust me, some of these upgrades are exciting, but also a little controversial. So, before jumping into Gen 3, let's quickly connect the dots. Back in 2021, Meta and Ray-Ban introduced Ray-Ban Stories. Simple idea. Glasses that could capture photos, record videos, and play audio through open-ear speakers. Then in 2023, things got smarter. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses added a better camera and built-in AI, allowing voice commands and real-time interaction. And more recently, Meta explored display-based glasses with a heads-up interface and gesture control. But here's where it gets interesting. The Gen 3 glasses are expected to stay screenless, which means Meta is doubling down on something different, not visual overlays, but intelligent awareness. Leaks suggest that Gen 3 will arrive in two main versions, internally called Aperol and Bellini. And no, those are not just random names, they actually hint at how Meta is segmenting the experience. Aperol is expected to be the sunglasses version, slightly thicker frames, more room for battery, and clearly designed for outdoor use. Bellini, on the other hand, is the optical version, lighter, more subtle, and designed to blend in as everyday prescription glasses. You know what's funny? This is exactly how smart glasses start becoming normal, when people stop noticing them, and Meta seems to understand that perfectly. Now here is where things get really interesting. The biggest rumored feature is something called super sensing. Right now, the glasses use a feature where you look at something and ask the AI about it. Simple, short interaction. But super sensing takes that idea much further. Instead of reacting to one moment, the glasses could continuously understand your environment over time. Think about that for a second. You could ask where you left your keys earlier in the day or what store you passed an hour ago. The AI would not just answer questions, it would remember context. It sounds incredibly useful, almost like having a second memory. But at the same time, it raises a big question. How much awareness is too much? Because here's where the conversation shifts. As these glasses become more aware, privacy concerns become impossible to ignore. There have already been reports about how training data is handled, with some claims suggesting that sensitive footage was reviewed during development. There are also experiments showing how similar technology could identify people in real time using public data. Now, Meta says everything is anonymized and secured, but this is where the debate gets juicy: convenience versus privacy, innovation versus control. And honestly, this might end up being just as important as the hardware itself. On the hardware itself, Gen 3 is expected to bring some meaningful improvements. A new Snapdragon AR chipset should allow the glasses to handle more complex AI tasks while staying efficient. Battery life is rumored to reach around 6 to 8 hours of mixed use, which makes them far more practical for daily wear. Audio is also expected to improve, with better microphones designed to handle noisy environments and wind. So while the design may not look dramatically different, the experience underneath could feel significantly more advanced. So, what do we know so far? The Ray-Ban Meta Gen 3 is not trying to reinvent smart glasses visually, it's trying to evolve them intelligently. Better AI, longer battery life, more contextual awareness, all while keeping the design familiar and wearable. And if Meta gets this right, this could be the moment smart glasses stop feeling like a gadget and start feeling like a natural part of everyday life. But the real question is this: Are you comfortable with glasses that remember everything you see? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.